Hi guys, welcome back to Vanetta's DIYs. Today I'm going to show you how I do the second fermentation for kombucha. To do a second fermentation for your kombucha, you're going to need the following items: measuring spoons, a funnel, a ladle, and then you're going to need some flavorings. I have chosen these organic flavorings. They're really concentrated and super yummy. And then, of course, you're going to need some bottles. I use the swing top bottles, and you're going to need some kombucha. So to get started, you're going to take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of your flavoring. This one is a bilberry flavored concentrate. And then you're going to ladle the kombucha in your bottle. I give a little headspace. I want to say it's roughly maybe 1.5 inches of headspace, because you want to allow everything that's going on in the kombucha, the healthy bacteria and everything, to eat the sugar, and then you have a little bit of foam, so you want to give that space. And then as it starts to expand, you want the bottle to be able to release a little air, so I wouldn't fill it all the way up to the top. I would give it just a little bit of headspace. And then once you're done with this, you're going to put the top on it. I leave mine in a cooler, and then I leave it for another week. What I can say is that, just for like a little tip, is that maybe you want to put numbers on your bottles and then maybe wait 3 days and then start to taste. And then you can kind of see what your palate likes. If you would like to hear a few more of my kombucha making tips, or you just want to see more flavoring videos for second fermentation, leave it below. Thank you.